got a Jeff Gordon video and a Jeff Gordon book.
Jeff Gordon book.
Jeff Gordon. And I'm gonna get to the pictures. He's racing around the track and him with his helmet. And he's racing pretty good in this. He won this race. It is, I think it might be 2004, I don't know. And this is Jeff Gordon's first vehicle. He was number 6 at that time. This is just words. And I thought this was no fair that he got this. And he used to race with these kind of cars. And then there he is right there, I think, yeah.
I never liked this game.
And then there, I think that's him as a teenager. Him. There he is when I think he won.
Like this.
And there's Jeff Gordon.
I want to play.
Jeff Gordon, Dale Earnhardt Sr. and Jeff Gordon won. People are getting Jeff Gordon's autograph, and here's Jeff Gordon who won. Here's Jeff Gordon's, I don't know, I forget what they're called. And here's Jeff Gordon's when he's taking a pit stop. And there's Jeff Gordon, I think, wait, that might be Jeff Gordon and maybe...
Then go like...
And here's Jeff Gordon's car. The end. And Jeff
All right.
Gordon kite.
Cool. Jeff Gordon kite. Yep.
Bye.
Bye.